visitors. I am a mall, Miss Mighty Machine. Welcome to Humantropolis.
I am Mighty Thinky. Think smart, play hard.
You use your brains to think. You use your brain to feel. You use your brain to remember. Your jelly-like brain is protected by your hard, bony skull. Did you know your brain weighs the same as 12 apples? Your brain is linked to your body by fibers called nerves. Nerves carry messages back and forth from your brain to the rest of your body. If you hurt yourself, your brain will make your body feel pain. Do smart people have bigger brains? That is not true, visitor. Everyone has the same size of brain.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, superheroes. Don't forget to ask your parents to like, share, and subscribe.